Hello and welcome to another Pop in a Box unboxing, and today I'll be unboxing my January 2021 Pop in a Box mystery pop. Anyone that's not used Pop in a Box, you can order pops on it. These are like little subscription boxes they do. You can get in like 1 pop, 2 pop, 3. I think it goes up to maybe 10, 20, could be. But for 2 pops, it works out just under 20 quid. That's with postage as well. So yeah, let's see what's in this box. It's an absolutely massive box this time. I don't think I've ever had a box this big apart from like orders that I've placed, but this is definitely the biggest pop in the box. It's been opened already. Usually I get someone to check, just make sure there's nothing damaged, try and keep the surprise. So yeah, let's get into this. I'm going to take a guess, maybe a 10-inch, but it could be, I don't know, could be a couple of pop rides. Moving on, let's crack into this box and let's find out. Try not to block the camera. Yeah, definitely the biggest box. Oh, it's packed quite nicely as well. Plenty of the bubbles there. And they've come in 2 packages. They're individually wrapped. So let's try and move this box to the side. I'll open the one. It's looking like possibly, yeah, a 10-inch, and this yeah, looks like a 6-inch. And let's see what's in this. Oh, cool! It's another Shenron. Yeah, 6-inch. This is the like Shenron Jade. Not really sure how much this is worth. They sell, I think, for around £20, maybe £15–20 on Pop in a Box. But you see, I don't know if it's in shop, but I've got the regular version of this pop. See them side by side. I bought this quite a while ago. They were on sale. I think about 13 quid or something like that. But it's pretty nice. Looks really good. Try and get this out of the box without making this video too long. But yeah, the thing I like about these big pops though, the seal at the bottom, so you can tell when they're being opened or not. But they're made with a stronger cardboard as well. Go in. Try not to damage the box. I probably won't take the other one out of the box, just to save on time. Well, it depends what it is, I suppose. Try and damaging. Yeah, it's exactly the same as the one I've shown, apart from it's got like a jade, like jade stone finish. Really nice. This be nice. This would be nice as like a glow in the dark kind of thing. But yeah, that is the first pop. It's nice to get I can't remember last time I got a 6-inch. But yeah, all the pops that I've missed off all the molds. Ooh, that squeak is real. Yeah, I'll probably make a video at some point. I'm not sure when. Some of them are in storage. But yeah, the big one is. Oh, cool. Oh, it's upside down. Yeah, I'm not glad to spend my box. But yeah, really awesome that. a 10-inch. I think this is probably, yeah, my second 10-inch. Looks in really good condition. The other one did as well. There's a little mark on the top there. Well, that's nothing to worry about. Really happy with this. Yeah, I'm not getting it out of the box, but I'll put the prices of these pops probably on the pop directory around somewhere. But yeah, really happy with this. I think this retails for around £30 or something like that. So definitely got the value this month around, let's see, 30, 20, about £50 worth, and it's only £20, so definitely worth probably investing. I'll leave some links below anyway, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like, comment and subscribe.